All right. What's good? It's your boy Elgin, aka Elgin.entrepreneur. Just wanted to give you a quick little demonstration on how to, um, I guess, use green screen on the iPhone. So, step one is to make sure that you have iMovie installed. So, I wasn't using mine for a while, so I ended up just reinstalling it once I learned that you can edit and download 4K for free. So, uh, keep this as quick as possible. So you'll go into here, whatever image you want to have in the background, just go ahead and add that first. So I already have mine loaded. And this is something I found for free online. I'll click edit. So I found this little image online for free. Downloaded it, turned it sideways because you have to edit it sideways in iMovie. Then once you download it, just twist it back to, however you want it, or, whatever the case is. But for mine, sideways is mobile. So downloaded in that particular fashion. So now with this is the background, I will add a green screenable type thing. What I want in the foreground, I will add. So I have something in my memories that I already shot in green. Yes. So now, once you select it, don't press anything. You'll select these three buttons and then select what you need. So for mine, since I said green screen, I'll go with the green screen option. If you're doing, the other ones are pretty self-explanatory, but we'll do the green screen. So now with it loaded, it adds me in the foreground and has the first layer in the background. So, and that's pretty much it. So I recommend doing it that way because you are kind of limited on this mobile particular version. Like you can't, at least I haven't figured out how to do it. So you can't just like drag this and then drag it over top of, place it on top of the other one. So just load it into the way that you want, being the bottom as the base, which is the very background. And then once you are ready to export, you will just hit done. It'll save that automatically. And then from here, you have these little three options on the bottom. You'll select the one in the middle to download however you want to do it. Saved files, blah, blah, blah. And it'll give you the option to, there you go. So, yeah, so this one's not in 4K, just for the simple fact that I uploaded it to TikTok, which decreased the quality. But that is a process. So if you guys have any questions or issues, just hit me up, or Google is your best friend. But anyway, you guys take it easy. Peace.